Relocating to or from Santa Cruz. Whether you're heading across town or across the country, 3 Movers delivers a premium moving experience without the premium price tag. We combine affordable rates with professional service to give you a smooth, stress-free move. Our trained movers handle local and long-distance relocations with precision and care. Planning a cross-country relocation or just heading to the next state over, our long-distance moving team is ready to handle everything from packing to safe delivery at your new location. Staying in Santa Cruz, our local movers help you relocate quickly, safely, and without lifting a thing. We handle everything from loading to unloading, so you don't have to. With 3 Movers, you save time, avoid heavy lifting injuries, and settle in faster. What could take you days, we complete in hours. We offer a wide range of moving services tailored to fit your needs. We proudly serve neighborhoods all across Santa Cruz and beyond, including River Street, Paradise Park, Soquel Drive, Mission Street, and more. With over 2 decades of experience, 3 Movers is committed to safe, reliable, and affordable relocations. Let us help you move smarter, not harder. Ready to move? Get your free, no-obligation quote today and experience the 3 Movers difference.